At Versuni, our purpose is to turn houses into homes. Consumers are at the heart of everything we do. Each of our innovations is designed to make life at home better, easier and healthier for our consumers all over the world.
After Philips Domestic Appliances, now Versuni, became a standalone company in September 2021, we saw a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to become an insights-led, digital-first company.
We worked with SAP for over 30 years, and we highly value their partnership as we prepare for the next chapter in our journey.
We selected RISEwithSAP to build a new technology architecture and business application landscape, and turned to TCS to help us with the transformation journey. Now, with S/4HANA Cloud at the core of a wall-to-wall SAP environment, we're well on our way to becoming the company we need to be. Every single system has been newly implemented, from email to accounting, from marketing through manufacturing, and supply chain to customer-facing systems. This, in combination with our new technology and data operating model, will enable us to achieve better responsiveness and continuous technology adoption, which will enable a quicker time to value to meet changing consumer needs and our growth goals.
SAP supports us to create meaningful innovation that make life at home for our consumers better, easier and healthier. And that is future-proofing our business at Versuni.